Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. First of all, we have to just right click on the start icon and then click on settings, and then select the accessibility, then scroll down and click on keyboards and turn on this option, that is on screen keyboard. So if you turn on this option, the new screen will pop up on your desktop, that is on screen keyboard. Then we have to go to the search bar and type here run, click here. Once we are here, we need to type here control keyboard and click on OK. Make sure you have to set the repeat rate to the maximum, set to the fast level, and close this window. Then go to the device manager, right click on the star icon, then select device manager. Now we have to update the drivers for the keyboard, so expand this one, right click on the particular device, select properties, then go to the drivers tab, select update driver, and make sure you have to select the first option. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then click here. The best drivers will be installed automatically, and close all windows one by one. At the end, we have to restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel and please check out the pinned comment.